Ugh.
Now I get from the left.
Can I get one of you guys to the top of the hand?
No.
I saw something going up in the top.
I knew I should have just gone to the second floor.
Oh, baseball duty. What's that thing at the end?
Gulag?
Gulag.
It's I get 2 feet. Alright, so give you guys 2 choices. The first one is playing numbers. That one's a pure free-for-all. You guys are getting meant to spread out, free-for-all. When you shoot someone or you get shot, stand there until someone tags you. Once you get tagged, you're on the team. We keep going over to the same team. And you can make up whatever number, name. 3 years ago, rape train was the leading factor. Or horse cocker. Or we can do
Gulag.
Gulag. We can play Gulag and Ghost Town, where I'll have one. We'll split up into 2 teams. One will line up on that ramp, the other one will line up the other ramp, and we'll do 1v1s or 2v2s in the center courtyard. And the winning team.
2v2.
Winning
That
team
sounds like a
staying.
fucking mint idea.
So, if you want to do numbers, stay over here. If you want to do Gulag, go over here.
Gulag!
Gulag sounds awesome. I'm gonna be the oddball out.
You got a little club over there.
I was staying in the middle because I'm biased.
What's going on? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, Gulag.
Yeah!
What's going on?
Gulag. So it's gonna be like 2v2s and stuff until the last team remains.
Nate and Jared, here real quick, guys. Let's, you guys make me 2 teams.
It's teams and then that.
I don't know what
Here, let's grab, who are your friends? Let's play with your friends. You 2 are together.
Jake, do we have to play the Gulag?
You don't have to play it.
After that little?
You gonna quit? I'll take a pistol.
He just didn't want to move.
Ammo?
Lazy.
Oh yeah.
How about Paul and you?
The ammo go.
You guys
Yeah,
go
let's go.
orange. Yeah, we'll do colors.
I put Ben with Jake, I figured.
Gold. Actually, no. Jake, you go orange on that side. Ben, you go green.
Oh, then I'm just going to take my band off because I don't have on.
You can stay green, you go orange still. And you children?
Alright. I don't know about
if it's not within an hour from the Airsoft area, then...
Oh, okay, we'll do that. Alright, if you're on green, take off your armbands.
All this small shit in the parking lot.
Alright, Jared.
A little bit.
Take orange team to the ramp that leads up to church.
Epic, thank you. Oh, yeah.
Ramp that leads to church, okay. How is it creepy? It's nice and red.
So,
With your fellow children's blood. Green team this way!
That sounds ouchie rounds right there.
Dude, it's right on the limit.
No wonder it hurts so much.
Uh-huh.
Hey.
We were in that for a hot minute, bro.
Oh.
Dude, my fucking high cap mag ran out towards the end of my run.
Did you think there was only one of them left when you did that rush?
No, you guys announced there was like 1 team left. So me and him, we were in the corner like we should push around.
Yeah.
Well, that went well.
Yeah, I went a little too wide, so I was like,
you
fuck.
guys didn't set up the best.
Huh?
At the end, when it was them 2 versus everyone, they just didn't set up the best. They should have hid deep in the woods. I would have ran all the way behind all these people. But I'm the sadistic asshole. What do I know?
What do we want to do, fellas?
Yo, what's up? Not yet. We're doing the running game late.
Ow.
Get off your phone!
Is that a CO2 one?
Nah, screen gas. The mags are the same size.
Okay.
Yeah, it handles both.
I stopped using the CO2 ones because they kept giving out.
Good day.
Yeah, one day.
You don't run mid caps?
Oh no, I usually do. I just have like a bunch of twos I want to get rid of. Yeah, I run threes in my ATM ones usually.
That's usually what I run at threes.
Ugh, someone shot me in the ass at the end.
I got shot in the ass last weekend. Not gonna lie, it didn't feel too good.
Yeah, this thing slaps hard. It's been sitting in my room for 2 months untouched.
Are you guys with us?
Yep.
So there's now 6 of us. So that's 6 on 6?
Oh, that is
They
sick.
have a lot more than 6.
Really?
Yeah. I think they're supposed to be sending
We
some
got
over.
Ben and Jake, so we're fine right now.
Yep. We got a good solid.
Yeah, but
room right here.
Gulag with a sniper and a pistol. This is gonna be fun.
Come up over here.
Okay.
This ramp.
It's kind of sad. I'm out of the energy for the day.
I could keep going. Pretty sure I just pulled a groin muscle, but I don't even care right now. I'm gonna get in the car, smoke a fatty, and forget about it.
I hear you on that.
Alright, gents. The rules of the playing field for this one is anywhere on the grass you can go. You go inside the fencing there with the wagons, but you cannot go in any of the buildings on the perimeter, and you can't go in the hallways in the perimeter. But you can watch the whole grass here, and you can't leave that area. And pretty much for the actual perimeter, obviously the back wall there, and don't go past those wagon bullshit schools right there. And just whoever wants to line up and go first, it'll be 1v1s, 2v2s, and 3v3s. And if you win, you'll stay in there.
Ed,
So I'm a bit
are
retarded.
grenades allowed in the
there's no-
Gulag?
Anything's allowed.
There's
in
no
Gulag.
second
Fuck
floor.
yes.
Okay.
There's no tunnels. You can't even go there. You can go in the wagons or rework, but you can't go anywhere else.
Can you go inside the jail?
No, you
I
can't.
don't think so because it doesn't have any grass.
Actually, you can go to jail.
Oh.
Huh?
Okay.
Can go in jail.
Oh, nice.
I feel like they have kind of a disadvantage on right here.
Yeah.
Ben, shut up.
No, I want to have fun though. I don't want to just fucking.
True.
Just lay into them, make it a little challenging.
I was gonna say, I'm already making it challenging enough.
Holy shit.
Not to mention that the sun inside.
Alright, guys.
What about sec?
Select your first player and line them up.
What's
First
the
guy on this side, get him in front of that wall.
I ain't going
You wanna go
first.
first, Ben?
Go first, I die.
We're doing 1v1s, right?
1v1s, 2v2s, and 3v3s. That's what he said.
Yeah.
Not gonna lie.
Shoot it on the line!
If I knew we were gonna be doing this, I definitely would have done fucking my M4. Or at least a high capper.
Now you're gonna go throw rocks at him like in Call of Duty.
Yeah. First 1v1. 3,
Oh, that was my car keys and an empty mag.
1, go!
Oh my God, Ben! Daddy girl! You're my hero!
Oh, he got the mag.
It's fine.
He went way too tactical. He like ran and it fell out. It's on the ground. I think it was up.
Yeah, the only downfall of that is the silhouette. He'll know exactly where he is.
Y'all see this before.
Like a fucking cat.
Dude, he's fucking quick, dude.
Don't fuck it up, Ben. There's a patch on.
Oh, that's fucked up. Oh, that's fucked up, Anthony. He doesn't win this, he doesn't get captured. That's fucked. Got him? Oh, you went against Monty?
Alright, Ben, take a seat of shame against the wall. Next up, get against the wall. Monty, reset yourself against the wall. So far, 1-0. Monty lead on his team. With the man.
It's okay, man.
Dude, a little kid up there think I'm fucking shooting. What the fuck are you doing?
Bullshit.
Watch it.
One on the left. One on the right, one on the left.
Ah!
Damn! Get the fuck out! Next two, come on down!
Well, I gave it the old college try.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, you leaving me? No, I'm just expanding my options.
Long story short, I need to suck my ass in next time.
Which means it's gonna be me and you.
Yeah.
Either one of y'all cool with me using your gun?
I mean,
If you don't mind. If not, I don't mind going pistol.
One, go!
I just don't want to lose.
Just watch it does shoot a bit to the left.
Huh?
Shoots a bit to the left.
Does it?
But at this range, you should be fine.
Is that a run cam on there?
No.
Oh.
That's a flashlight. That's a big ass flashlight.
Oh, I like that.
That's the second generation one I got.
Man, left forward there.
Yeah, it was like he literally had just nicked one of the leaves on my fucking ghillie suit.
Shit.
And,
Nice.
if I had sucked my ass in
Good
slightly,
shit, boys.
if I had sucked my ass in slightly, I would have gotten them.
We're up.
No, they're still up. They won.
Oh. Yep. So they only go until they lose?
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Or until
Listen, put in all
Which
the
means
work.
if
so
they
we
take
don't have to
everybody
do
out, I can
shit.
just give this
Yeah.
thing back to you. What is this?
Say,
Tech. The Trident.
yeah, the
How do you
CRB.
like it?
That one's the CRB too?
Yep.
Versus Ben and Child.
Yep.
Yep. Same
Aye.
shit.
Used it for.
You got a different trigger on there, don't you? No, he's got the same one.
Yeah, it's all stock. Well, stock but replaced stock pieces. Pop-up cracked.
Ooh, that was quick.
I've used that thing since early June.
Guys, hey, you two, just keep taking them out, because then I can just give him his gun back. Power to the bushwalkies!
That was pretty good.
You know what's crazy? I used to be a part of a team called Wookie Bush up in Maine. Yeah. They're actually pretty good players for the most part.
Anthony!
It just wasn't fucking...
Anthony! Hey! They got 3? They got 2?
Oh.
Well, if they only have 3, that means I'm not going to have another shot. There you go. I think you guys might have... You definitely have me sold on fucking the Trident.
Yeah.
Because I need a new AEG because my M4, I'm going to be modifying it to be a DMR.
This is actually, I just picked this up today off a dude. I traded my WeTech and my Octurus for it.
I thought I recognized it.
Yep.
Yeah, you
I
tried
just
it.
need something lighter than my fucking M4. My shit's solid fucking metal. And that thing?
It's nothing to it.
You kidding me? Dude, Monty's a hell of a lot fucking better shot than I am with an AR, and I fucking traded with him. Oh.
I'm thinking of getting I'm thinking of upgrading from this, going to the SPR.
What is that, 2v1?
Sometimes I need a little bit extra oomph.
Dude, I got shot right when I had my second surgery.
Like I got this, I got the PDW version too.
What did I tell you about losing? I love you too much, the safety was on. Can you see the baby go right by you?
Ooh.
I wasn't trying to go low enough because I definitely did not want to shoot you in the neck.
Damn, somebody got kicked in.
The guy in the stormtrooper helmet's dead. If you don't believe me, I can show you. Shoot him again. Well, I was gonna offer to be your guys' third person, but Anthony wanted to see how it played out.
Yeah, stop cheating, Clear.
If you don't get out the hallway, I'm shooting you as a sniper.
And it will hurt.
Stop being scared, crazy seal.
Come on, Ben. Make a move.
Like, yeah, I thought I recognized that one.
This?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because the guy tried to wondered if I would trade my LMG for that, and I'm like,
Oh, fuck.
yeah, no. He bought it off me instead.
We're up. Pistol? Yeah, that's fine.
Hey, did you win? No. Are you serious?
Are you
Would they lose?
We're not filming again.
Oh, the next two? You guys lose?
Yeah, I got shot in the wrist.
Oh.
I thought they were over here somewhere. That's why I was sitting there.
2 or 3?
Oh, nice shot.
2 or 3?
I'm gonna do one real quick. It's not fucking dead right in the fucking screen. Who's got an AEG? I do.
Are you serious?
Oh boy.
Yes! No, fuck this. I'm going to the rev spot. I want an aerial view on this.
I'd like to see that. Ah, yes, doesn't beat.
Oh.
Me and Danny.
This is more entertaining than I thought it would be.
Oh, yeah.
This is a 1v1. All you better get it. Come on.
Better not sell, you suck if you do.
It's still taken live.
I was saying, the benefit of the gun, that's not his gun. If it was his gun, it'd be a different story.
Oh yeah.
Hey, we're just saying.
Holy crap. A bit of a misfire there.
A little bit.
That's why I stopped carrying my 416s, because they kept doing that.
I just put in new bucking too, and I'm using the wrong BB for it. Where is he? You want to do it? No, he's got it. Okay. Where is he? Oh, there he is. There he is.
Anthony, who you want to take it out?
Yeah, you're fine. You're not. You're underage.
No, Ben.
I like him right, but not that right.
My X-Flag won't stop vibrating. Uh-oh. 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 Uh-oh.
Okay.
After hours, UBG hits so much harder than in hours.
Oh yeah, I mean, it's almost 7 o'clock. My mother's gonna wonder what the fuck went wrong. I told her, I'm like, I'll be back by 7.
Do one more. You want to be cashed in, right?
I don't remember being like this last year.
He doesn't want to though.
Fuck that.
What a 1-year anniversary.
I think that's the first time I've ever heard him back down from a one-on-one.
Guys, he's gonna win this.
All right, ready?
Look at him run. Yeah, you go, girl.
Woohoo! What the fuck was that? Man, Keith's good. Jeez, I gotta hand it to Keith. Like, he's got more skill than he shows half the time. Especially for someone that just started
Don't feel the bush
I
boogie.
think he wants to fight me. No, I'm just joking. I'm not
Are you
fighting.
sure you want to do that? You know how bad it hurts from him.
I know, I want to feel the pain when I lose.
Okay. I was gonna say, because I got a neck shot, I got shoulder shots from him. I'll tell you.
Jesus.
Hey,
That was like 5 at once.
I know it was.
shoot him. Shoot him in the neck.
No.
Oh God. This is gonna be great footage for YouTube tonight.
Ready to go home.
I know, right?
7 o'clock. I'm like, oh shit, all right.
It's 7.
Yeah, this
Almost. Yeah, it's 6:50.
Go, girl.
Fuck him up, Daddy.
Hey, you're a bad boy.
Uh-oh.
Stupid baby.
I'm so tempted to take the phone out and record this, but I don't need to catch a ricochet.
Oh.
Woo! Gee, I'm gonna need my headlamp to pack the car tonight.
That doesn't sound good.
No. Yeah, no. Just no.
Oh.
Real done? What's going on?
I hope so. I'm hungry.
Yeah, we're done.
Oh, fuck you, Jared. I'm pumping it ass. Go.
Shit.
You what? Am I getting something from the place or something?
Yeah, you done that.
Dude, my gun wouldn't beat for like the first 15 seconds.
Well, that was entertaining.
Right?